Morning from Grand Family Farm. It's a little after 7. It's 58 degrees out or so. Down here milking Bella. And make sure all the pigs had something to nibble on. This little pig's going through quite a bit of feed. Those goats too. Today probably end up mowing the lawn. It needs it. It's starting to look better. We're cutting it tall so they can graze it. Bella's in here just eating the corn. I'll have to give her some more. For those who have commented about pigs needing shade and mud, Harold here has the barn, plus the sign here gives him shade. By the time it gets hot in the day, he's shaded. That's why the sign's here, and they have this tarp here for these pigs. And the little guys over here have their tarp, and they play in the water, around the water dish. They don't really want to dig too much like the bigger pigs. So we also have this pool the bigger pigs like to lay in. And Harold's got a mud hole right here by the water dish. So anyway, they keep cool. Bella's been milked, it's been put away. The goats got some grass hay and some alfalfa. They're happy right now. Chickens gave me 11 eggs so far today. This one here has a crack in it, so Harold gets a treat. Hey Harold, want a treat? An egg? Come on, buddy. Don't bite me. Oh, you smashed my hand. Great. What'd you do that for? Look at it. Dang pig. Everybody got fed. And got new water. And the chickens got their feed. Time to go mow the lawn. Lisa's milking Bella, and I'm graining the pigs. You can hear them yelling at me. I'll make sure I don't forget. Everything's quiet now. Pigs got their grain. Those goats got some more alfalfa. Anyway, it's been a productive day. A lot of work in the shop. Kind of tired from that. And plus we got the pasture grass mowed. I started feeling pretty good. Can't wait to get a fence around it so we start grazing. Anyway, well, I thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.